guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, ang first day natin sa PSB. Dapat kahapon, kaya lang nasa Lakwatsa ako. Kaya ngayon lang ang first day namin.
Good morning! Good morning, Jimmate! Megaland shoutout! Hello, hello! Yes! Hello, welcome to my vlog! Ito ang aming first day. Ay, hindi pala! Second day na nila! May lakwatsa na naman ang ating vlogger! Sila talaga! Sila na lakwatsera! Puro lakwatsa. Pero this time, magsisipag na tayo mag-gym, guys. First day ko to. Sana. Sana masipag na ako, no? Ayun, guys. Start na sila. Sige. Mag-start. Ayan. Ay, magsisindi na naman ng music si Kuya. Masi-CPR tayo, papatayin ko na, guys. Aming yoga instructor, si Chai Lee. Siya yung aming yoga instructor. At ayan ang aking mga gymmate. Yoga kami today. Mag-start na kami, guys. Start na kami, guys.
Before, it's not really for fitness. It's more of the holistic thing. It's combining everything in our body, cleansing the mind, your spirit, the way you think, the way you feel. And once you're into it already, you're beginning to appreciate more about everything, what you eat, what you put inside your body. And when you're already conscious about that, dun yung fitness na nagpunta. So yung iba, kinonect na sa fitness kasi if people who are really engaged with yoga, naging iba yung way of thinking. They're more relaxed. Whenever they're stressed, they just breathe in and out. Kasi whenever you're angry or stressed, your heart rate is pumping up. Emotionally. Pero when you know how to control already the breathing, Parang you're just counting 1 to 10. Same thing with breathing. Slow breathing. Napapacify kung ano man yung emotions within you. Okay? And whenever we do yoga, barefooted. Same thing when you're doing a different form of fitness, like Pilates. You need to be barefooted. It's okay. For the socks, it's okay. Kasi lalo na the one with the rubber. Kasi sometimes we have mats na yes, and mai-injure kayo kapag gano'n. That's the reason why kailangan nakapaa. Yung mga toe fingers na to, may purpose yan. Nag-move yan whenever you feel you're imbalance. Gagalaw yan. Alright?
Gatas na kami ito. Wala naman sa akin. Sa akin na wala na rin, hindi ko na alam. Okay.
Alright. You sit down in a comfortable position. Kailangan, siguro mga 2 seconds muna ngayon. So yan, nakataking na. And then you release slowly to your nose. Slowly. Huwag niyo bibiglayin na. Alright.
Baka may sumama.
Yes, baka may sumama.
Kaya dahan-dahan ang pagbuga.
Pero sa umpisa, maninibago kayo. Pero just in case you're into yoga before na, I think sa goals na ito yoga. So you know already. Okay? So you just inhalation to your nose, up to your last breath. Yung huling-huling hininga nyo, i-hold nyo ngayon yun. 2 seconds. 1, 2. And then you release again slowly. Diba challenging breathing pa lang? Alright. So in that way, if you're already customized already with the breathing, you can do already the process. Just like in fitness when you're dancing, you warm up. Then progression. And then the meditation that's needed. Alright? Hindi natin pwedeng madaliin lahat. It's my first class with you, ladies, beautiful ladies, and the handsome men here. Alright?
Muse po namin yan. Yan ang muse namin.
Okay, progression tayo. Once that I could really feel and see the strength, we can do the other poses. There are mga inversion and everything, but please don't be in a hurry kasi papunta tayo doon. Once we strengthen everything and your confidence is built up. Remember, yoga is focus. Once na medyo naalanganin ka, pwede ka matumba. So kailangan iti-train bawat ligaments, the muscles, your balance, and your confidence will come as well. Alright. Breathing first, palm on top of your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Come together. Exhale. Again, inhale. You look up. Appreciate life. Come together. Exhale. Exhale, you stretch to your right. You look up. Kailangan yung chest always puffing out. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Huwag nyo inuukot yung likod. Laging chest. Alright. Inhale, center. Your elbow trying to reach your knee. This time, your palm, inhale to your heart. You curve your back, exhale. Inhale again to your heart. Exhale. Exhale. And exhale, stretch your neck. Be stress-free, be healthy.
Yes.
Yes. Inhale, arm up. God bless everyone here. Thank you for attending my class. And please protect us as we go home together with our families. Come together to our heart. Bow down. Namaste.
Namaste. Yes.
Thank you so much. Alright. So if ever, just in case, it looks so
Ang aming yoga, medyo mahirap dahil first time uli na nakabalik sa yoga. Ayan. Enjoy naman kayo, guys.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Kasi nga first time uli namin nag-yoga, guys. After 2 years, no? After 2 years. Ayan. Ayan. Ang saya-saya. Sa mga susunod na vlog, guys, ha?